And we're back. I was unsuccessful in learning anything about Room 997, at least without spoiling the game or digging too deep. So for now, we will just march on and address it later. Address it when we can come back. We're still running on diesel. Sail to the beacon. Maximum thrust. Oh, is that a mine? What is that? I don't know. I'm gonna leave it there. Looks interesting. Okay. So if we'll leave the helm, it'll keep going straight-ish. Big map. Okay. Oh, that's how long it'll take me to get there, I guess. I hope not. Oh, coordinates. Coordinates. Okay. I do probably need
You'll
to
need
put...
to master basic crafting skills
Let's see what she
and
says.
generate your own resources to survive. Begin by fabricating a Lumalite solar panel.
Okie dokie. First and foremost, just give me all the scrapper. All right, Lumalite. Got it. All right, use the build menu to start fabrication of Lumalite. Bring the parts to the fabrication site. Whoa, what are those? That's... Those look like mines. They absolutely do. Do we think those are one-shot mines or warning mines? Thread the needle? Right here. Okay. Oh no. I hit it. Okay. Well, let's check our boat integrity. Whew. Let's repair our boat. Good God. What? Okay. Boat repaired. Heading at something. Let's go. Can I jump off without? Yeah, okay. User. Add all parts to queue. Build. Oh. Interesting. But I gotta get the power line somewhere. Can I put it on the outside of the boat? Oh, I can. For now, let's just put it there. Because I'll be able to tie it in pretty quick.
Good job. You've successfully learned to craft and produce resources.
Yeah, I did. Fast learner. XP plus 50. All right. Okay. Coming towards your beacon. Wish there was a way to, like, turn lights on and off. Went right past that. Maybe there's some way, using this map I could mark things as Oh, okay. At least identify them. Alright. Oh, a shark.
The beacon is here.
Silent
and
and dark. Yeah.
The systems here sleep without power, and without their signal, we drift aimlessly. Bring back the power, and awaken the beacon's voice to guide us forward.
Okay. Restore the power. Will do. Is this oh boy, am I going too fast? Oh boy, maximum thrust. The opposite direction. Duh. Okay, that wasn't terrible. Oh, just turn a little bit. There you go. 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. Drop the anchor. Mooring cable. Ugh. Whew. Got those extra strength mooring cables. Alright. We're here. We're charged. Let's just do a quick backup. We got power. We got some ammo. Headlamp works. It is nighttime, but that's okay. Let's just turn the flashlight on so we can see. We're gonna explore before we salvage. Oh, hey buddy. Sorry, buddy. Something up here? No? I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Alright. Junk, junk, junk. Ooh. Okay. Drop some stuff, that's fine. Let's see, well... Oh boy. That was terrible. Oh. Interesting. So, what's the trick here? To shoot the legs? Okay, legs. Tentacles, maybe a better word. There we go. Loot, loot, loot. Reload. Can I get on top of this from here? I didn't see anything. Bio. Scraps, okay. I don't see anything up there. Paint? How do I get into this bottom one? Does that not have a door? What kinda? Alright. Sun's out. We'll conserve battery a little bit. Smash. Oh, smash. Can't smash the mill of reload. Hello? Alright. Okay. I see you. Guessing these need repaired. Okay. Much better than the electric gun. Can confirm. Alright. I hear something. Okay. junk. More junk. Alright. Okay. Some boxes. I'll take it. Paint. Batteries. Can always use batteries. Looks like I need to go up, but also looks like I need to restore some power down here. So well, glad I had enough stuff on me to do that. I feel like I'm gonna, because I get 3 and that. So let's just do this then. Is that pulling for my boat, or do I just picked up enough stuff? Okay. Alright. Repair. Plastic, iron, glass, silicone, aluminum. Plastic, iron, glass, silicone, aluminum. Never gonna remember that. Plastic, iron, glass, silicone, aluminum. Plastic, and especially not with these. Plastic is plastic, iron. Plastic. Did I get the iron? Yeah. Plastic, iron. I need glass, silicon. I'm overburdened, but that's okay. Aluminum. I need glass. Boy, I might get seasick. Boy, I'm wobbly. Alright, I can move. Let's go see if I got enough to repair these solar panels. Wow, look at that rock. I wonder if I felt seasick. Wonder if I should put a battery here too. Wonder if these are bifacial panels, so they get some good energy even in the rain. Oh, copper fabric. Okay. Copper fabric. And then let's do this. Build. Add missing parts to queue. Put my tool up. I forgot what I needed already. Copper fabric. Yeah, I gotta label these or something. Copper fabric. Overburdened. That's oh, it's all this biologics maybe. Yeah, that's what it was. And we will put a battery. Maybe inside. Okay. Those are working. Oh, this door wasn't locked the whole time. I thought it was electricals. Yeah, this looks like a great place for a battery. Give it a little turn. Put that down. Okay. must not forget to scan things. Ooh. Okay. Interesting. Did it just move the table? Okay. You go there. You go there. Turn on some lights. Okay. Alright. Pull up the scanner. Already scanned. No scan. God forbid. Don't need trash cans. Okay. Nope. It is not the time to salvage. It's not. It's not the time. Quick backup. Get the gun. Is this ever gonna hold charge? I guess it's going up. Is it just because there's not good sun right now? Maybe. Alright. Got him. That's the lights over here. Oh, I saw you. Sneaking up on me. Maybe I should... Yeah, there we go. What is that? Nice. Already. There we go. Hello. Got him. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's this black stuff? Is this just a different kind of slimes? Reload. There's robot. It's okay. There's cable. I don't know what for. We don't need iron sights. Oh. Let's clear this room first. There we go. Power. Pico ID authorization. Okay. Lights. Thank you. Okay. Alright. Not yet. Not yet. How do I get power to this? What you got? Security. Alright. There we are. There's a basement. Interesting. We went through there. Here we are again. And we have our vessel for some reason. Good time for a sip of coffee. Alright. Acquire authorization. Oh. Easy. Have a nice day, caretaker. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Communication array is damaged. Repair it. Recharge
Those things
the
are
relay,
quiet.
and let the beacon speak again.
Lights. Okay, okay. A lot of stuff to loot. Alright, so this, what did it say? Charge the relay. So is this... Oh! Stretchy cables. Alright, is this why there was a thing on the door? I hear it. I just don't... Can I make this looser? I don't want it to... It's a tripping hazard right now, right? I mean... Just don't want to trip. I shouldn't be looting. Focus. Focus. Let's see. Put the gun up. Oh, there it is. I found it. That's why we were in danger. Okay. Build 5. Do I have enough for 5? I don't know. That's not cable. Alright, so junk. Alright, so I need to get... Getting close. So I go down, I go that way. Can I not? There we go. Oh, what? Easy. So, are these... The lights are flickering. Does that mean my battery is not really... Why? Are these not producing? I repaired them properly. 4.2 kilowatts out. Okay, this one's just not in the sun yet. Is that all it is? Oh! Alright. Interesting. How, you know what? I usually salvage these. Let's see if I can just give it a little boost with this real quick. We have an extra input slot right here. Oh, that's a satisfying sound. What? I can grab it? Oh. It's gone. Something I do up here. Is this thing like just guzzling all the energy? Yeah, it is. So let's disconnect it for a minute. Let the battery and everything equalize for at least a few seconds. We got to kill some stuff up here. Okay, thank you. I'm overburdened again, man. Dang. Oh, I got some enhancers. Where did I... Oh, I leveled. Okay, so... just give me a little bit of weight. What am I at? A lot of weight. I can't. I'm doing all scrapper. It's done. I don't have to touch it again. You know... It says to repair it, so I'm probably going to need whatever's in my inventory. But am I too... I can still jump, right? Okay. Let's pop a battery. Okay. How do I get you, buddy? How do I get you? I'll figure that out later, I guess. Oh, man. Oh. Do I need that? I might. Or is that like a safety net? Is that what that is? Because the ladders are so bad. Nailed it. Hello? Okay, so at least... Very big ladder. Oh, okay. Plastic. Are you serious? Glass, rubber. I brought everything but plastic. Can we make it? Oh boy. Oh. Amber leeches. It's daytime. What are y'all doing? No way I could get up that. I need like a underwater entrance. Like a moon pool. Oh, what are y'all doing? It's daytime. Alright, I need energy. And I need plastic. And I'm so slow. Right. Let's put up some... I don't need that. I got a guitar. VHS Wave. I don't know what that is. Sea Dragon paint. So I don't want that. Full of energy. Is that plastic? It is. Is that enough? 5. Surely that's enough. Put that up, and now we got plenty of extra weight. It is dark, but I think we'll be okay. See what our battery did. Nothing. Man, it did barely anything. Okay. Well. Whew. Glad it wasn't a snake. Alright. I hear it. I don't know where it is, but I hear it. Oh my god. We need a skill point for faster ladder ascension and descension. This is terrible. Alright. Alright. Please. Did I get enough? I did. Nailed it. Alright, well we're here. I don't want to come back up here. But I don't have to. So I need to get this. And I need to go find the guy that was hanging. He's got to be that one. Can I shoot him? Oh no. Okay. Can I get it from here? Yeah, okay. That'll work. So I don't think I have any other reason to go up there again. I do need to salvage this floor. But that's a problem for another time. Let's go see if our excuse me, our relay is. Where did you come from? All right, do it. Operation nominal. Activate.
The relay is alive again. Data streams freely, revealing paths once hidden.
Revealing paths once hidden.
Beyond
What are you
these
talking
waters
about?
Awaits the Lazarus complex, humanity's greatest hope. Seek it out, Caretaker.
Oh, that is not on the map. Okay, okay. Alright, I could have swore. Alright, so we did that. A box, okay. We still gotta make sure we could scan everything. Here's a door. I know what that is. Let's see what's in here. Oh man, I really like the lights on. Hello. I like that these bullets sort of like bounce, multi-bounce or something. Oh, junk on the floor. Doesn't count as salvaging if I just pick it up. That's all I'm saying. Ooh. Oh, electric engine cylinder booster. Okay. That overburdened me. Made it sound like I was still in combat. 3. 3 what? Three. Oh, completed a quest. Battery, wait. Battery, wait. Both? Battery, wait. Okay. Oh. There's a 1 or an I. It's in the same shield, isn't it? Is it a skill I learned? I don't see anything. Nope. No idea. No idea. Alright. Preacher barrel. Interesting. Okay. So don't I get in there? Maybe we can't. But I think, right? At least at face value, we've cleared it of all the bad guys. The lights just go out. Did we lose power? Oh my god, okay. So I think I need to put like a wind turbine down. Look at all the slugs. They're coming. They're coming. See, I could hit like 2 of them with a shot. That's amazing. Oh my lord, there's so many. What? Why? I'm stuck. I'm overburdened. This is what we need lights. I think these guys are. We'll stay away from light. Let's see. Maybe? See, it sort of ran away from me. Oh boy, I'm so slow. Alright, let's go drop our stuff off. What is that? Okay, focus. Focus. Come on. We used up a good bit of our diesel too, didn't we? Okay, there's that. Alright. What'd that say? Anger Koski. Unknown. Electric engine booster. Electric engine. Whoa. Alright, I don't want this either. Halfway to 10. Alright, let's see. What was that? Where did it go? Was it just a... Oh my god. Well. Fish in a barrel? Anyone? Loot all. Look at all the bio. Ugh, overburdened again. Oh no. Why is it so heavy? Oh my. Alright. Where am I going to put it? Maybe I'll just overflow for now to this one. Okay. We could at least walk again. I think that's a good save point. We've explored it, we cleared it. We do need to go through it one more time, figure out what that 3 is. The 3 room. See if there's anything hidden elsewhere. And then take some time to salvage it. Maybe add a wind turbine. Or something. I don't know. It didn't seem like the power was holding up for what was happening there. I meant to save. Where am I going? Back up. Right there. But yeah, there we go. We have at least turned beacon 49 back on. Let's see if that updated our map. It did. It did. Oh, wow. Okay. Helipad, I guess. Water tower? I don't know. Unknown. Sunken city. Okay, okay. Gas station. Always need those. Another water tower. Solar plant? I don't know. I don't know. We can see it now, though. Sort of wish you could, like... Oh, add marker E. Oh, okay, never mind. That's not what I wanted. What? I don't... Okay, there we go. How many different waypoints can you add? Interesting. Yeah, I'd like to be able to, like, right-click, check, cleared, right? Or something. Add notes. But that's okay. Progress has been made. And, you know, we're well on way to saving humanity. Next time, we will save humanity.